Hello, my dear foodies! Welcome to our friend's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is homemade perfect chocobar ice cream, which is prepared easily without any cream or condensed milk. I have used the basic ingredients which are easily available at home. Everyone's favorite chocobar ice cream is rich and creamy chocolate ice cream in stick is covered with chocolate, and it's a double chocolate treat for all the chocolate lovers. Let's get started with the recipe. Take a pan, add 1 cup full cream milk. I am using the boiled milk. Now add 1/4 cup sugar, Once the milk starts boiling, add 1/3 cup milk chocolate compound. If you don't have milk chocolate compound at home, you can add dairy milk packets which are easily available to you at any stores. Now combine all together. Take 1 tablespoon corn flour, add 1/4 cup milk which is at room temperature, and mix well without any lumps. Now add this corn flour slurry to the prepared chocolate milk and combine well. Keep stirring continuously in low flame to avoid any lumps. Once the consistency thickens, switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Transfer the contents to the jar and grind it in pulse mode for few seconds. Perfect, rich and creamy consistency of ice cream is obtained now. Transfer them to the molds now. If you don't have ice cream mold, you can use any plastic cups or small steel glasses to set the ice cream. Cover the mold with silver foil and insert the ice cream stick for easy removal of ice cream from the mold. Refrigerate the ice cream molds for 8 hours or overnight. Take 125 grams of dark chocolate compound. I have used Mode's dark chocolate compound. Melt the dark chocolate by using double boiler method. There should not be any lumps in the chocolate It should have a silky smooth consistency. Let the chocolate cool down and come to the room temperature. Pour this chocolate in a long glass so that the ice cream can be coated well with chocolate when dipped in it. Once the ice cream is set, remove the foil. Place the mold in water for few minutes for easy removal of ice cream from the mold. Take out the ice cream from the mold and dip it in the chocolate completely. Now take it out and leave it. It just takes 20 seconds for the chocolate to set. Ta-da! Choco bar is ready now. Serve it, or you can refrigerate it to serve it later. In this hot weather, there is nothing like a chilled ice cream to cool us. So, prepare this homemade perfect choco bar and enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button under my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.